Upgrading your windows is one of the smartest investments you can make in your Clinton Township home. Whether you're looking to boost energy efficiency, improve curb appeal, or increase resale value, the right windows can make a noticeable difference. But with so many options on the market, choosing the best windows can feel overwhelming. Here's a step-by-step guide to help homeowners in Clinton Township make confident, informed window replacement decisions. Understand your home's needs before diving into styles or materials. Start by assessing your home's specific needs. Clinton Township experiences a range of weather conditions, from snowy winters to hot, humid summers, so energy efficiency should be a top priority. Older windows often leak air, driving up utility costs and reducing comfort. Ask yourself, are your current windows drafty or hard to open? Do you see condensation between the panes? Is noise from outside a concern? Understanding these pain points will help you focus on features that matter most, whether it's better insulation, durability, or soundproofing. Prioritize energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are essential in Michigan's fluctuating climate. Look for windows with the Energy Star label. This certification indicates that the window meets or exceeds energy performance standards for the region. Key energy-efficient features to look for: double or triple pane glass. These insulate better than single pane options and reduce outside noise. Low E coatings. A microscopically thin layer of metal helps reflect infrared and UV light, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Gas-filled panes. Argon or krypton gas between panes increases thermal efficiency. Efficient windows not only reduce your energy bills but also create a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Choose the right frame material. Window frames significantly impact the durability, maintenance, and performance of your windows. Here are the most common options. Vinyl. Affordable, energy-efficient, and virtually maintenance-free. A popular choice for Clinton Township homes. Wood. Offers classic charm and natural insulation, but requires more upkeep to protect against moisture. Fiberglass. Extremely durable and energy efficient, ideal for those who want longevity with minimal maintenance. Aluminum. Strong and lightweight but not as energy efficient as other options unless equipped with thermal brakes. Each material has pros and cons, so balance your priorities between cost, appearance, maintenance, and performance. Consider style and function. Beyond efficiency and material, window style plays a key role in both functionality and design. Think about how the window will be used and what aesthetic you're aiming for. Popular styles include double hung, easy to clean and versatile, great for traditional homes. Casement. Hinged at the side and crank open, excellent for ventilation. Slider. Simple and space-saving, ideal for wide window openings. Bay or bow. Extend outward and create extra interior space, perfect for living rooms. Picture. Fixed and inoperable but provide wide, unobstructed views and plenty of natural light. Choose a style that enhances both the function and character of your home. Think about installation and warranty. even the best windows won't perform well if they're improperly installed. Work with a reputable local contractor who understands building codes in Clinton Township and has a track record of quality installations. Look for certifications, licenses, and solid references. Also, check the warranty. A strong manufacturer's warranty covers not only the product but also potential installation issues. Make sure you understand what's included before you commit. Final thoughts. Choosing the best windows for your Clinton Township home is about more than just glass and frames. It's about increasing your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. Start by understanding your needs, focus on quality materials, and don't cut corners on installation. With the right choices, your new windows will serve you well for decades to come.